You play patty cake? Yeah? Way to go. I'm so proud of you. Oh, good job. Is that your new trick? Did you learn how to clap your hands? Did you learn how to clap your hands? I'm so proud of you. Let go. There you go. I'm so proud of you. All right. Good job. Crazy girl. Crazy.